You can get paid online $12 for just listening to music and giving reviews at any time that you are free, that you want to make this kind of job by the comfort of your home. You can get paid at any time, and this platform, which is going to offer you this real online money, is going to pay you and is going to get offered to you totally for free. Everyone who is watching this video can start making it work and can start to earn the same amount that you may be seeing right over here by just using your internet connection, by just using your device, and start making it or following every single step that I'm going to be sharing with you today. This is the platform. It is 100% free, and everyone can start using it by just going to Google and searching for playlistpush.com. Once that you have searched for that, you will just click into the very first ad, and after that you are going to get directed right over here to the main page of it. I'm going to be sharing step by step how you can make it work, and for sure I have a bonus tip at the very end of this video, so make sure to stay tuned so I can give you any tip and any strategy and step that you need toward this. Before going there, don't forget that we share daily videos, so if you like them, consider giving your support by subscribing, by pushing notifications on, and by liking the videos so you can get notified at any time. Well, first of all, I told you will have to go to Google and search for playlistpush.com. Click on the very first website that is given to you right over here so you can get directed to the main page. This is a platform where they will give you the opportunity to connect artists to playlist curators, and they will help independent artists to get their music on different playlists and give playlist curators a way to discover new music. So this is a help to help thing. So they will help even artists to share their music, and you as a curator, you're going to listen to that music and give your own new opinion, your real opinion, and getting paid for doing so. Here for artists, you can see that you can promote your own music by submitting your songs, but we're not here today to pay anything. We're not here today to share anything at all. We're here today to work as curators. Here we are going to discover some of the best up and coming indie artists and help them launch their career, get paid to listen and review songs. Here you are going to get rewarded and discover the music that we were talking about. So now once that we are here, we're going to read some more other information so we can see that the platform, it is totally legit and secured, and not worrying about the fact that it may be scammed. They will have, or you can see that they have curators or networks all around the world, so it is going to be available for everyone, and they have more than up to 9,900 curators on their platform. 23 millions of playlists combined have a total reach of more than 23 million listeners, and they have as well more than 5,000 successful campaigns with over than 3,000 artist brands. Here you can see that it is mentioned by Fortune, Hypeboot.com, CD Baby, and Medium, which it makes this platform totally secured. You can see even reviews by different artists right over here, so you can see and understand if this platform it is totally legit or not. Now that you saw all this information, what you need to do toward this kind of strategy before you're just interrupting it is to click into For Creators, which is at the very beginning in the main toolbar of the page. Once that you click here, you will see two options given to you: Spotify playlist creators and TikTok video creators. We're just going to click into For Creators so you can get directed right over here, when you can see that you can discover this music playlist and get paid $12 for doing so. They will offer you support indeed artists, instant payouts, and discovering new music. But the qualification that you need as a curator right over here, it's to need or to have a playlist with real followers on their Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. No worries guys, before interrupting again, I'm going to be sharing to you how you can do that. So these platforms that I'm going to be sharing are totally for free for everyone. Now that you saw your qualification that you need here, you will have to sign up, but before signing up, go to Spotify.com. This is available for everyone. So go to Spotify and search for that on Google or just search for their websites. Create your new account totally for free by signing up totally for free here. And once that you have created your new account, for sure you will choose between of the playlist or between of the categories that you like more. Once that you have created your new playlist, you will need followers. Where you can find this, it's by using this platform called soundplay.com, which you can access totally for free, but as well reddit.com. Once that you go into reddit.com and once that you go into soundplay.com, you will search for Spotify playlists, so you can see here different groups where you can share your playlist so they can join there. Yeah, you can use Reddit and soundplay.com. You can do the same thing. Join to different amounts of groups related to Spotify, and since this platform has millions of viewers and millions of visitors daily, this is one of the best to choose and to use and to join so you can start earning. Once that you have created again your Spotify playlist, you can share it on your Twitter account, for example, on LinkedIn, Instagram, maybe on Pinterest, or even into Facebook, so you can invite your own friends to join and to create or to have more followers into your playlist. After you have created your playlist, for sure you will click into sign me up, so you can sign up totally for free by creating your new account here and by putting even your Spotify playlist, so you can get directed into their main dashboard and start earning money online by listening to their playlist that they are going to offer to you and getting paid per every song. So just imagine, for 3-minute songs that you are going to hear, you are going to get paid $12 per giving your real opinion. Well, now that you understood how you can make money online by listening to music, for sure I have that bonus tip which I promised you since the beginning. Again, we're going to get back into playlistpush.com and scroll till the very end of the page. Why so? Because we're going to be working even as affiliate marketers toward this platform. Yeah, same as always, I share this kind of strategy with you so you can make, or this kind of bonus tip with you so you can maximize your earnings and have more money into your bank account or into your PayPal account. Now that you scroll till the very end of the page, you can be able to see some other information or some other subcategories where you can choose for artists, for creators, and for sure into the home option you will have our blog, help center, pricing, affiliates program, Spotify royalties calculator, and free music marketing guides. You will just click into affiliate program so you can get directed right over here where you can monetize your music network by clicking or by creating your new account here. You are going to get paid for referring artists and curators, and you are going to generate income using your existing websites, email lists, social media, or personal connections. So it's going to be very easy because they will not ask you for any special skill or for any special marketing tool at all. So you can use your connections and your social media so you can bring people, you can bring more traffic toward the platform and getting paid more. Click into tell me more or click into sign up as an affiliator, and you are going to get directed right over here where again you are going to see that you will have to continue with your Spotify account. So they have to verify if you have a Spotify playlist, and after that they will get you directed into their main page. That was all the strategy for today. I hope that you learned something new, and if yes, don't forget to subscribe and push the notifications on.